all, welcome back. So, yeah guys, today we are in Wasit Wetland Center. We are going there. So this is my friend Alfie. As you all guys know that in some of our videos she came, and yeah, Alvin was not able to come.
He is a little bit busy also.
So guys, when we reach, see you there. Hey guys, we reached the Wasit Wetland Center. So right now, see the big tree. We are seeing the big tree. Oh my god! Yay! We are going. So, where should we go? Amma, avade apponde. Sorry guys for the interruption. See that, I think that's a banyan tree. It's so nice.
Yeah, it's a
There is so many trees over here.
and lot of natures and bird sounds.
Yeah, so cute it is.
Yeah, it is like a small baby birds.
See the flowers and the. This is the big tree.
Take the
So
road
nice.
map with you, girl.
See,
We lost, we need the road map also, na?
No need. See, it's so nice, guys. It's there is so much. Oh, for entry they also kept like this tree. See, show you. Wait, okay. Yeah, sorry for that. Oh my God, there is so many trees over here. Birds. So nice, guys.
Yeah.
Many trees are there. Like so many.
Yeah, like a,
What is this thing? I don't know what is it.
it's like a rice plant, I think.
No. How can a rice grown in here, yaar?
Sometimes can grow.
No, I don't think. Oh, sorry. Sorry for the interrupts, guys. Yeah. See, there is so many big trees. We are just walking. Kaattundu. We are just walking down. I think only little is there to see, but I guess we can see too. Yeah. Camera out. Okay, I'm going this way.
You're going inside.
Yeah, we are inside right now. Oh, that's a reception. Okay, guys, 1 minute. So, guys, my mother went to the reception
To scan our ticket. Like
Yeah.
that stuff.
See, wait. This is local coastal wetlands. Wasit wetland.
Like a map.
Wait. Ras Al Khor, Aljora. Yeah, many are there. We are going. We are going. We are going. Oh my God! See, guys. So cute. See the birds. What bird is this? This is Arabian partridge.
It's like Arabic, I think.
This is glossy ibis.
You can see there also.
See there? I'll show you. Like, see? Can you see that?
See, so cute and see the up.
Many birds are there.
See
See
the
over
up?
there? There is one bird. Like
camera so
there is more. See? They're eating something. So cute, guys. There are many birds here. See?
And some are putting potties.
Everyone is upside almost.
See, everyone is eating only now.
Yeah.
See the small baby, I think.
Yeah, so look. Come. Guys, this is northern bald ibis.
And see and zoom there. It is small baby is there in the back and seeing like that. Two small babies. See? Yeah, it's so good. And you have information in there.
I guess you can see, right?
I see.
Yeah.
The sunlight.
You can see. Mommy, wait. This is northern bald ibis. It's a rare northern thing. Yeah, it's really rare. I'm also seeing it for first time. And this is glossy ibis. It's a shimmering glossy ibis. Yeah, changes its appearance. Oh, so cute. Let's see, guys. So cute. ശരിക്കും അവള് പറഞ്ഞു കേട്ടോ. I think you all guys can see, right? So this is Abdin Stork. What's that? Abdin Stork.
And this one also.
Erosion stone curlew. Yeah, you already saw that. But this is Eurasian stone curlew. This is Arabian partridge, Arabian helmeted unifold, and Abdim's stork.
Stalks and ears.
See. It's so cute. ഞങ്ങൾ ഇവിടെ എത്താൻ അമ്മ പോ. So this is already stone curly sandpiper, Kentish player. See guys, it's so cute guys. I can't.
See, there are a lot of there.
Oh my god. It's like wait. This is common red shank, pied avocate, and this is rough. What's this?
Why are you standing there, girl? It's about standing there.
Try on the pelican feet. Yeah, that's what I do.
Yeah, we are coming.
So yeah, this is so nice. See.
Take this. Hey, let's take a picture of that.
This is elegant pied. No. Common red shank, curlew, sandpiper, marble duck, reddy turnstone. Yeah. That's marsh birds.
See the biggest
We
one?
will show you.
It's big.
We will show you. Let's see. That's so cute. Dunlin. Yeah. Okay. Mama. I said there's a duck out there. Oh my god.
Duck, it is long like that stuff.
It's not clear for you guys because of the sunlight. This is western reef heron.
That's all that goes.
Greater flamingo. Yeah, it's flamingo. Black winged stylet.
And
Common sandpiper. And this is pink blacked pelican. Indian silver bill. And this is a Philvus whistle duck. So yeah, guys, wait, let me zoom. Can you see, guys? Oh my god, see there. There are many.
And
guys.
one
It's
is
so cute.
small in the water.
It's I kind of want to go there and touch them, but it's not possible.
It is like a shield.
Wait, why can't you guys see this? Can you guys see this? Yeah. So yeah, guys. That's it. I guess. Like it's over there. I'm showing you trees. It's so cute. It's so cute. You don't even believe that. It's so cute. It's so cute.
Now you can
See, it's swimming in water. Where is it? Swimming in water. See, many birds over there and over there. One is swimming. So cute. Oh, one big one is there. Oh my god. Oh my god, there is one big one. Oh my god, see guys. Oh my god. I want to
This I wanna touch it. I wanna touch it. It's so cute. I think sometimes when we touch, they'll run away or fly and they'll bite us also.
It came to glass. Oh my god.
They love us.
They
You're biting us. You're biting us.
Don't eat me. Hey guys, we are going to Vasit. ഞാൻ പിടിച്ചിട്ടുണ്ട്. We are going to Vasit Wetland Center inside
the small forest.
Yes, baby forest.
And the birds and a lot of stuffs are there also. See?
Many trees are there. It's full greenery in here.
It's a green place. And some dry leaves also.
I don't mind that. So nice. See the greenery. It's so beautiful. Alfie വീടല്ല അപ്പുറത്തോട്ട് കേട്ടോ.
കണ്ണിന്റെ പൊടി ഒന്ന് കയറി മോളെ.
അതെ ഉണ്ട്.
മാസ്ക് ഇട്ടിട്ടുണ്ട്. പക്ഷെ മാസ്ക് കണ്ണിലല്ലേ.
Ah.
മാനൊക്കെ ഉണ്ടല്ലേ.
No, I can't see. Deer. Oh, cute. Oh my god. Oh my god. See the birds.
അവിടെ deer.
Oh, baby deer. Oh, see the baby deer, guys.
കുത്തോ നമ്മളെ.
It's so fast. ഇല്ല. ചിലപ്പോൾ കാണും. ചിലപ്പോൾ നിന്റെ പുറകെ കാണും.
എൻ്റെ ഇവിടെ പുലി ഉണ്ട്. പക്ഷെ എൻ്റെ പുറകിലുണ്ടോ ഇല്ല.
Oh, see. Many baby and all is there, guys. Don't mind the fastness. We are going really fast.
And you can also see the past.
It's so airy also in here.
Fresh breath also. Oh my gosh. It is super fast. Hey, you should also visit here. It is nice, beautiful also.
Yeah, guys. And by the way, if you want to see more travel vlogs like this, click the like button and subscribe.
And write the comments below.
The comment section available.
And we are doing, this is the smaller one. We are doing little more bigger one, like somewhere a museum or like that. We also show the dog also.